Hello everyone, in this video I want to show how to install PNETLab version 6 on VMware workstation. Okay, to install PNETLab version 6 on VMware we first have to download Ubuntu server image from this following website. Okay, let's go to this website, copy. Then on the alternative downloads, then on the past releases and other flavors, we can find this Ubuntu 20.04 LTS image. It is called first. I'll click on this link, and this is our desktop image, and this is our server image. We have to download this server image from this link. I have already downloaded this image, and I put this image in my hard drive. This is called Ubuntu, and this is my Ubuntu server image. Okay, after downloading this image, we have to deploy it on VMware workstation. Okay, let's check my VMware configuration. This is preference. This image will be installed on this location. And if I check my virtual network adapters networks, I will use NAT for this PNETLab, and this is my network address for my NAT 192.168.30.0. This is DHCP. This will say DHCP, and my PNETLab. Then I will choose my PNETLab to use DHCP instead of static. But if we want to install it in ESXI, then we have to use static instead of DHCP. But I will use DHCP in here. Okay. Let's deploy it. Click new, custom, next. I will need to open the system later. Next. This is Linux Ubuntu 64. Next. It is called PNETLab version 6. This will install in this location. Next. Processor number of 2. I will select 1. Next, and I will choose for gig here for at this moment because I am recording. Then I will increase it later. I will increase it into 8. Next, and I will choose NAT network adapters. Recommended, yes. Next, and continue with the next, and I will select 100 gig. I will allocate 100 gig and store in this as single file. Next and finish. Okay, now I have to select, before let's change enable my Hyper-V. I'm going to go to processor and enable virtualization engine, and I will save my ISO image file, the Ubuntu and this is my server image 20.04. okay, and I'm power on this virtual machine. So I'm gonna pause this video and then I will come back. Okay, from this section I have to select my language, which English. Next, this is important. The current version of Ubuntu server is 24.10.1. of the installer is not available, and because PNETLab version 6 relies on Ubuntu 20, then I have to choose continue without updating. I choose continue without updating, and continue and enter. Here I have to my keyboard English US done, and it is my IP address. It is received from my DHCP, as I explained before. Done. It has received IP address of 192.168.30 and 128. Done. Continue. This is my I have no proxy address. Done. And it is my mirror links, mirror addresses. Done. And this is my configure my GUI location. I will use an entire disk, and it is correct. Set up this as LLM group. Okay, I don't need the encryption, and done. My client, I have root size, boot size, and others. Partition 1 is my BIOS GUI. Partition 2 is my boot partition, and partition 3 is my Ubuntu itself. Okay, done. Everything is great. Done. Yeah. Process and starting a lot. Okay, continue. Yeah, I specify my name. I will choose pnet. Server name. Yeah, this is my host name. PNETLab. Username is pnet. I will choose password pnet either. Pnet. And done. Okay, after this is my pnet username. After installing PNETLab, we will have root user either. Okay, this is my pnet user. This is not my root user. Okay, done. This is important. I will select this install OpenSSH server. Select this one. And done. Alright, okay, continue. And here I choose done. Okay, it is installing my Ubuntu server. Let me pause this video and I will come back after This is installed. Okay, now here I have create view full log, and finish. I say finish CMD in target success, and creating command in dash target. Okay, now let's close and I reboot my server. Before I start reboot, let me eject my sudo. If I can eject from here, manage setting, my sudo, and then choose connect on select connect at power on, and OK. Yes, and reboot. Okay, let me reboot, and I think yeah. Reboot my and let's setting consider and connect at power is off and selected. Okay. Let me start. Start. Okay, let me pause and I will come back. Okay, now let's log in with my pnet account. This is pnet account, pnet password is pnet, and let's see IPA command. Okay, to see my IP address, I type IP address, and with IP address command, I can see what is my IP address. This is 192.168.30 and 128. It is ENS33 interface. Okay, I have let me know what I have an issue from this website. Okay, now let me, after finishing this server, then I have to install my PNETLab. To install PNETLab, simply I can either type this line, command line, or I can download my script file, .sh file, install underscore PNETLab underscore version 6.sh script file from this website. Because this website has filtered my country, I cannot use this command here. I have to use VPN. Now I am using VPN to update my Ubuntu. Let me. Okay, this command is now working at the moment because let's show this website. To find this in that's sh file, I have to go under this website, then PNETLab 1, then update underscore PNETLab, then focal. This script file is located in this section, in this location. I can simply download this file. I will download this file, and I'm gonna to upload this in my VMware, PNETLab VM by VNCP. And because I am using VPN at this moment, I have to disconnect my VPN, then connect to my VM because I don't have connectivity. With my guest OS. 128. I don't have connectivity from guest to host because I am using VPN. I have to disconnect my VPN and connect to my PNETLab. Okay, now I have disconnected my VPN. Now I can ping my guest OS. Okay, let's connect to this guest PNETLab 192.168.30.128. I cannot connect to by root at this moment. I have to choose PNETLab account. This is not root account. pnet update, and because I cannot connect at this moment by root, then I can only upload this into my home directory. Okay, let me upload this into my home. Okay, now let me enable my VPN again so that I can install PNETLab, because this website has forbidden my IP addresses, my country IP addresses, as blocked. Okay, now let me connect to my VPN. Okay, now my VPN is connected. Then I'll go to my VM. I'll tap ls. You can see this script file. I have already downloaded the file on this website. This is here and this location. PNETLab update underscore PNETLab and focal. Then at this moment, then I have to make this file executable. I raise my VM. I simply I go to root permission privileges, sudo chmod +X and install. Type my pnet ls, and now it is color has changed to green. It is an executable file. I can't verify ls l command. I have right permission here. Okay, now I simply install PNETLab by this script file by bash command. This is bash command. Okay, now let's sudo bash and install and enter. Okay, now it's going to install PNETLab on my VMware on this server. This is a long process. I will let me. It will first install some packages, Ubuntu packages. Then it after installing some Ubuntu packages, then it will install PNETLab packages after Ubuntu packages. Okay, let me pause, then I will come back. Okay, Ubuntu packages has been installed. Now it is downloading PNETLab packages. Let me pause this video and I will come back again. Okay, PNETLab package has been installed successfully, and the upgrade has been done successfully either. Okay, let's continue. Now, before I install ishare2, let me reboot my PNETLab VM. Top reboot, and gonna reboot my PNETLab. Okay, let's after reboot. Now I can log in with my root credentials. This is okay. Log in my pnet. Password is pnet. Okay, now I have to specify my root password for my root user account. I type pnet either for my root password. Pnet. Again pnet. Enter pnet. Hosting PNETLab, okay. Okay, yeah. Because I am using VMware workstation and I have set up my VMware as DSCP, then I have to specify DSCP here. But if you have this VM on ESXI, then we have to specify static instead of DSCP. Now I have to choose DSCP, okay. Server and directly. Root pnet. Then with password, let's type my pnet. Okay, pnet. Okay, and this time it's not working. Now I've changed my root user account and specified my root user account and password. My root user account is root and my root password is pnet either. Okay, now let's log in as root and pnet. Okay, now good. Now let's install ishare2. Okay, to install ishare2, PNETLab. To install ishare2, I simply go to this website. This is ishare2 website, and download my code here. Copy and copy. I have already copied this link here. This is the same link. Copy. This is the same link. Then I use git clone and special this link. Now because I log in as root, then I can go into opt. Yes, this is our permission starting. Clear this page. I go to opt and tap git clone. ishare2. Let's pause. Okay, now ls. Then I'll go to cd ishare2 cli ls and copy ishare2 into usr sbin. I'll go to that location and make that file executable. ishare2 and then ishare2. Enter. I tap enter. Okay, let's type I want yes, enter. If I type yes, it will install audio PC. Okay, yes. Use main. On one. Okay, now ishare2 has been installed. Now I can use ishare2 search. Let's clear this one. Clear. Now I can use ishare2 search. Search and specify bin. And I can use ishare2 search. Let's clear this one. ishare2 search emu. This is for VMWare images and BRS images. Also, there is also Zabbix. There are also Zabbix and so on. And to download images, I type ishare2 pull command instead of search. Pull and specify bin and its number to download those images. Okay, that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video and thank you for being.